Back when I finished grad school and then started working in real estate, I always wondered if I was making the right decision when it came to spending my money. After all, being in a field that only paid commission was tough. Some months I would go without a paycheck and other months I made quite a bit of money. But it always came down to the same question every time. Am I spending my money correctly or am I just wasting it? Now, if you don't know me, just know that I'm a very simple person and it doesn't take a lot to make me happy. All I need is some good food and some video games and I'm good to go. But sometimes I felt like I was wasting too much money on food because I could have used that money on something else like investments, or not enough money on the things that I love to do, like traveling or spending time going out with family or friends. But what I came to realize is that there should be a happy medium between the two. Keep in mind that you and everyone else has their preferences and ideas of what they're comfortable paying for. But overall, these are the top things I believe people should consider spending money on. Number 1, spending on your basic needs. And you may be thinking that's a no-brainer, but what exactly are your basic needs? Everyone has their own definition of what their basic needs are, so it can vary from person to person. The obvious needs that most people spend their money on are groceries, rent or mortgage, utilities such as water, gas, electricity, and internet, and also healthcare. But once these basic needs are met, there may be other basics that you personally need to help you each and every day. For example, maybe you love watching movies, listening to music, or going to the gym after a long day at work. Although some people would say these aren't basic needs, they could play a greater role in your overall mental health and happiness, therefore making it a basic need. So really sit down and think about what you would consider a basic need, and eliminate the ones in your life that just don't make sense. Number 2, spending on your education and personal development. When it comes to a new skill set and becoming a better person overall, taking classes and teaching yourself new skills are some things you could consider spending your money on. You can't level up yourself in life if you're not willing to expand your mind. Luckily, it's much easier to learn new things today because of YouTube or even online classes like Skillshare, which is one of the websites I personally use to learn new things. It's actually how I learned real estate photography, how to edit videos like the one you're watching right now on Adobe Premiere, and even learning Photoshop for making thumbnails. You can also invest in yourself by attending in-person workshops, seminars, or conferences that focus on areas of your interest or help in personal development. So check those out too. Number 3, spending on your health and wellness. Going back to your basic needs, your health and wellness should be up there as a top priority. Keeping aside funds for a gym membership, exercise equipment, healthy and nutritious food, and regular medical checkups should be a priority. In addition, your mental health is also very important, so make sure that's in check, and if it's not, you can always see a therapist or a counselor to help you. Number 4, spending on quality experiences. Buying a car, a house, or even the latest gadget can bring you happiness in the short term, but actually investing in quality experiences can create long-lasting memories and help your personal growth. For example, setting aside some funds for travel, exploring new places, doing outdoor activities, going to concerts, or trying new hobbies can broaden your horizons and give you a sense of adventure and personal fulfillment. Number 5, spending on your investments and your retirement savings. I know this may come as a shock, but setting aside money for your long-term financial future is important. One of the best things that you can do immediately as soon as you start working is to start setting aside a certain portion of money into your long-term and short-term investment goals. Long-term would be something like contributing regularly to a retirement fund such as a Roth IRA or a 401k. Some investments you can consider buying are stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, depending on your financial situation and your preferences. I personally have a few different types of investments. The first one being a rental property, I have a Roth IRA, and I have a few other accounts which I put money into for dividend payments. Remember, real estate agents don't get paid unless they close a deal. So it's nice knowing that I have a dividend account that pays out monthly that can help me out in the times that I need the money. Then I have my third account, which is the monthly dividend account that you might have seen on here because I post videos about it all the time. And all I do in that account is I post videos about it and I deposit money monthly into this account to just show everyone how to invest in the stock market. So go check out that video series if you haven't already seen it. Number 6 is buying insurance. There are many different types of insurance that you can get to protect you and your loved ones from unexpected events. The top insurances most people should have are health insurance to cover medical expenses, life insurance to provide financial security for your family in case you pass away, home insurance to protect your property against damage or theft, and auto insurance to cover any potential accidents or damage to your vehicle. Having appropriate insurance coverage provides peace of mind and lowers the chance of you having financial issues later on down the road. Number 7, we have repaying debt. Having high interest credit card or personal loans can really set you back if you're not careful, so it's important to pay those off. Setting aside money for repaying debt can really help you by lowering the amount of money you pay back in interest. The best way to go about this is by focusing on the high interest rates first. I can personally relate to this because as of right now, I still have my student loan debt and I still have my car loan. But once they're paid off, I know I'll feel much better knowing that they are completely done with. Number 8 and last on our list, we have spending money on relationships. As mentioned before, having quality experiences are great, but the real fulfillment happens when you have those experiences with the people that you love and care about, like your family, friends, and significant other. This involves budgeting for fun activities like dinners, outings after work, or vacations together. Now, the second type of relationships are with the people that we don't know. This can be giving back or supporting charitable causes or donating to organizations that you support and believe in. This is just another great way of spending and giving back to the community, which can give you a sense of purpose while also leaving a positive impact on others. Remember guys, these are general areas where spending your money can be beneficial to not only yourself but the people around you. Your personal circumstances, priorities, and financial goals may require some adjusting with how you want to spend on each of these items. Overall though, it's important to create your budget, set your financial goals, and regularly review and adjust your spending habits to make sure you're on the right track. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. And on that note, I will see you all in the next video.